Hear ye, hear ye, hear ye. The United States District Court for the Western District of Missouri is now in session. The Honorable Brian Gaddy presiding. God save the United States and this honorable court.
Good afternoon and welcome. You made it. Congratulations. I'm sure this is a very exciting day for you. I'm excited for you. It is my honor to welcome you to citizenship of the United States. My name is Brian Gaddy. I'm a United States Magistrate Judge. I'm actually new to the bench. I got appointed in September of 2020. I'll always remember the date of September 25th as the date I took the oath to be a judge. I'm sure you all will remember today's date. You're going to take a very similar oath here in a few minutes to what I took when I became a judge. I know each and every one of you have worked hard to become a United States citizen, so again, congratulations. This is a tremendous accomplishment. I think our country is the best country in the world, despite the challenges we've faced. And we've faced a lot of them recently, haven't we, with the pandemic, political unrest, and other things. We still survive, and I think it's still a great place to live. No other nation on earth was ever founded with such a burning desire to have a country that would guarantee to each and every citizen those basic fundamental rights that assure human dignity and assure freedom. In a few minutes, you'll swear an oath that all naturalized citizens must make when becoming a citizen. Just like my oath, you'll promise to support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States. Why is that? The Constitution is the heart and soul of this nation. It is signed in 1787. For more than 230 years, the Constitution has been a symbol of and a testament to the people's willingness and interest in the capacity to govern themselves. Its intent was to give each one of us the right opportunity to live life, enjoy liberties, and pursue happiness free from oppression. The Constitution is a living document. What do I mean by that? It is just as relevant today as it was back in 1787. My job as a U.S. Magistrate Judge, I literally apply that Constitution every day that I come into the court. The Constitution gives each of us the ability and responsibility to be good citizens. That includes to always endeavor to do what is right and what is good, to better our lives and the lives of others, to make a positive and meaningful difference, to dream of ways to make this an even greater nation, to find ways to make those dreams come true. What can we all do to pursue those goals? I always recommend that you get to know your neighbors and you get involved in our community. There's nothing more important than grassroots efforts at the community level where you live to make this a better place to live. There are many opportunities out there for you to consider: schools, community charities, service organizations. If you can't find any, maybe don't hesitate to create your own. I always preach this with lawyers that appear in front of me: be kind and civil to each other. We can disagree, we can debate issues, but we need to be kind, we need to be professional, and we need to be civil. Be willing to work and work hard for what your goals are, not only for the ability to acquire worldly possessions, but also to gain education and knowledge. I would suggest that you be patriotic of your new citizenship, and I would suggest that you vote. Participate in your local, state, and national governments by voting. But first, I always recommend that you inform yourself of the important issues that impact you and your fellow citizens, and inform yourself of the candidates who are running for office. While your adopted homeland demands and deserves your allegiance, which you will swear to later today, you should still have concern about the land and the people of your birth. In making you one of us, we do not expect you to abandon your heritage that you came from. You must nurse those memories, teach your children of them, enjoy your ethnic and national communities, all the time using them as building blocks for a better and more productive life in this country. In closing, I wish for you all good things of life. I commend you on your decision and your hard work to become a citizen of this country. Embrace your freedom, embrace the country. I wish each of you and your family members good fortune. Do I have someone here today that will be making a motion to introduce the folks here before me? Yes. Did I hear you correctly? 29 applicants from 22 countries. Sir, your motion is granted. The court hereby accepts these 29 applicants. Ms. Wynne, will you please administer the oath to the applicants?
Would the applicants for citizenship please raise your right hand and repeat after me? I do hereby declare upon oath that I absolutely and entirely renounce and abjure all allegiance and fidelity to any foreign prince, potentate, state, or sovereignty of whom or which I have heretofore been a subject or citizen, that I will support and defend the Constitution and the laws of the United States of America against all enemies, foreign and domestic, that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the same, that I will bear arms on behalf of the United States when required by law, that I will perform non-combatant service in the armed forces of the United States when required by law, that I will perform work of national importance under civilian direction when required by law, and that I take this obligation freely without mental reservation or purpose of evasion, so help me God.
By the power vested in me under the Constitution and the laws of the United States, the court hereby grants each of you citizenship in the United States of America. Congratulations. I think it's appropriate at this time, I would invite all of you to join all of us in pledging allegiance to the flag. Pledge allegiance. I don't know about you, but I never thought I would preside over naturalization with you folks being away from us and standing in the lobby of the courthouse. Sorry we had to do that. If you're like me, I'm sick of this pandemic and I hope we get over it very soon. I want to invite each and every one of you, if you would like, when the pandemic is over, you're welcome to come back and meet me in person. I enjoy shaking your hand and taking a picture with you in my courtroom if that's something that interests you, again, when things are safe to do so. I cannot tell you again how proud I am of each and every one of you. Congratulations again. I wish that each one of you and your family members be well, be safe, and be good to each other. Again, congratulations. Thank you.